Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so say nkrofo uyobi a wo follow Ghana politics a nkrofo bi wo ho a they are not really known by a lot of people, but if you really follow Ghana politics a wonim san nkrofo no. Now MPP ewo maami bi atrese MPP fo nim ne se wono de MPP ewo na akoma so pa ye friend Haji Afati to the point where Haji Afati amene wo ka say wonye national executive. But esan say we are very big wakasa wo MPP muma nkrofo tie ene nyama nti no, she has an office ewo MPP for wo national headquarters. Yes, wonya national executive ba okwa Haji Afati wo nankasa ne officer eya wotena na say ensemble esi Haji Afati ensemble na ode na no ato Sami Jemfi sorry insensem ene Sami Jemfi aha say mano meaning say was a make pension bi no man anyway yancha asem ne so what they na no aba beto Sami Jemfi ene Kennedy Japan sensem ni mu. If you don't know what is happening, last 2 days Kennedy Japan ekwa Sempa FM was Sami Jemfi akwa kan nsem bi an ninje hu nti no wo threaten Sami Jemfi life so be ma yabo Sami Jemfi an update on that particular matter, and it says Sami Jemfi akwa report asem no ama CID. Na Sami Jemfi ko report ama CID no, Sami Jemfi ka say Kennedy Japan kan sa asem no, wo no Sami Jemfi we nya information say ne Kennedy Japan akwa akobo pa ema nkrofo ayomo adwen say wo mo ba bebu wo no Sami Jemfi no. Na eno na trese ama Haji Afati a trese wo MPP strong person pa wo MPP mu ababonten eden nsem aba betudwa edi Sami Jemfi atem akeka nsem bi afa Sami Jemfi ho se wono Haji Afati ne kra no wo hia Sami Jemfi a wo be boss Sami Jemfi asom asem a Haji Afati wono so kana no. Now yen ko tie nsem a Haji Afati kan ne ko tie wi a me won nsem bebreka e wo Haji Afati nsem a wo de tudwa no ho yen ko timbra
Sami Jemfi wo se wo di kana ken kwa hifa wo di ni kwa court fanu kwa wo dia wo chat ro tu ka so no ka ajapo no wa nipa wo akara kituwa we wo di ken ikoko da be na wo call law school enye last year 2 years ago wo prapra NDC office fanu court sa court nsam funti na ye de court si wo fanu court na ye ni wo be hia me dia me blame MPP for na ama wo yam sam wade no ye wa power no ma ye to say ye wo opposition nipa ye wa power wo betimi a control wa mu de wa ye wiase hwe de wa ma school nkwara hi ya na nado wo hwina aka mia sam wo Sami Jemfi wo hwina aka mia nsame ko schools we ni na ye obi a wo Sami Jemfi na no sia ba wo ba TV so na wo ya nana wo ba radio so na wa ka obi na mia na wo ya nana wa hu dia wo dia ba sabu so we ya dem a wo die kwaso na wo be hia ye de ye sunsuo na wo be hia quotation brana wo be hu say na say me maka kire ma besia mmuruwa na be bowa so mmuruwa ti sami a me ti ai na me ya mi hia wa so travel di wo ebe ye wo say video na wo hwe akukwa asukọ numa ti sewu fa ken court ya ye ready ye nyina be hye wo court wo kura wo su wo be court wo waka pre ka wo kikam ti sa bo fa no court ye nyina be hye wo bai o
say mami penyimu Haji Afati na chese mo ate se wono nso atre na adwen kasano. Now there are some corrections we have to make until say the mewa me de be kan on me de be kan in the first place. Munim say channel way so ade amempe ene say wo bi a say be what twisted nsem. In the first place nsem wa Haji Afati wo kan no enye ne kre Sami Jemfi enfa Kennedy Japan enko court sire Sami Jemfi enfa Kennedy Japan enko court say wo siu no dabi the Sami Jemfi aye ene say wakwa report Kennedy Japan ama CID. They are two different things. Sami Jemfi has reported Kennedy Japan to police. One fa Kennedy Japan enko court. It is a oba bonten Now because Sami Jemfi the Ken Japan e kokota, you are just deceiving people. Me read it statement yes Sami Jemfi the lawyers at the bar bonten a letter womo trauma CID for womo anka se womo the Ken Japan e kokot. But a letter womo report say Kennedy Japan Emma police for. They are two different things. That is the first correction I want us to make. Haji Afatin Semo Awokana, clearly it is not the truth. Because Sami Jemfi is not taking Kennedy Japan to court. Sami Jemfi has reported Kennedy Japan to the police. Now, say and no aside no, Yanko and Semleso. Haji Afati Kasano, she was speaking from her office. Now, Samoba Kaya, earlier, I think earlier this year was a late last year. Samoba Kaya, it's not even now. I think some time ago, Ansana MPP4, say immediately a womoba abemo say Ansana mbeba abemo no BBC ye. Haji Afati ya eko board journalist bi asum ewo MPP headquarters ho. Na wo board journalist na sumwe ye asema wo de ba abonte ebeka se na office eye obi a woton in tools e no board na sum. Ghana phone na ka se na sebi obi a woton in tools in so sebi wonye obone bia na wokobo na sum se wa board journalist asum be pacho a o se na eye o se eye obi a woton in tools. Just obi a woton in tools e ono de ofata asum bo. Waka sa asem no magana fo ye nina nkrofo twemo ano esi Haji Afati so se de wo ye no wanya de. Now saa de ni siwie ye no ye de Haji Afati we ekọ court. Na ye de ne court no she was found guilty. Na answer na ruling ebeba no Haji Afati wo ye na adwen se won court. Wo bia wa ba obi asoma ye de wa akogina court. Haji Afati ye na adwen se court won ko. One, judge no issue arrest warrant ema Haji Afati. Haji Afati we mfi wanko. Two, judge no ebufuye ema judge no sansu issue another arrest warrant eka say baby a police ni bia be hia Haji Afati ana baby a citizen ni bia be hia Haji Afati wo baby ano ye nche no ne mfa ne mbra. Asemo a mebete na haka ne say sa issue na judge e de aba abonta na sa de na judge no arrest warrant na judge no we issue no Ghana ha say police ni bia ni ho abobenya sa akukudro no akwache Haji Afati because Haji Afati you bia e ba MPP mu a wo ye kese na Haji Afati no tumede ne nsa sinibo embra sa polafoko mu nsensem no onu no tumede ne nsa sinibo ka se polafoko mu wo mu nra headquarters so obi antumi nya hwe. So that is the level of influence Haji Afati wo ewo MPP mu. Intime kan wa ha say judge na asem a we issue no, don't forget it. Police ni bia ni wo bekwa kwache Haji Afati up to lende sende na bekwa kwache Haji Afati a then menewo we don't know. But Haji Afati ehun ne say wo beba abonten ababa bekasa e wa asem we so wo bia judge issue arrest warrant for you twice wo man ni mu but obi enfi. Why? Because she belongs to the ruling party. Now one thing personally I feel is the bane of President Akufo-Addo's government and the type of people who speak whenever a serious matter comes. One thing I dim what President Akufo-Addo no. In my previous post, Midin Sembra say pastors be blame President Akufo-Addo on the attack of certain pastors in this country. Why? Because some people womo believe say womo ye MPP communicators and now womo wo MPP mo no. Sisi ade womo ayomo adwen say rules and laws and regulations will not work in this country. Say bin pray dia sa. Obi ti say Haji Afati. Wo ko bo obi asum. Ye de wo ko court and there ye issue arrest warrant amawa. What can we twist so say court won koda. What case so say court no won koda. Sebe nanki ye ka an assault on human being nanki ni kwa nkra se wokasa biom because wo kra wasem wo quarter yendi nwie brane yendi asem no pesa obeba nti nanki ni kwa nkra se wo ba abonte beka se wo bechi obi abonasum biom but today wono na wo ye no wo se obebonasum. It's as if some people are now embracing violence. Now so making MPP for Emma ye gidi say ye ka violence to trasem pa nanke ye NDC Womo de saa de ne to ya adwen mu e ma ye believe ye say NDC de e be tutu asema eyomo. But what are we seeing now? Endorsing anya bia saa de akene Japan be ye ya wo threaten Sami Gyamfi no. Wo bia nim say ade akene Japan ye no enye ntwa ye Hajia Fatika say wo se wo de na court na wo twa ntroto ne so na but obi twa ntroto obi so a ye ka se ye bebo no ye threaten ne pakone life. Is that the best way to resolve issues? And say na Ghana ha na nkankofo bebrebe wu o. Ghana ha na nkankofo bebrebe wu. Say ye ka se wo obi aka asem na wo feel say asem na ne pakona aka na enye ne kre na wo say o enye ne kre nti wo be ma ya bo ne pakona. Threat the life of the person na Ghana woni me nkrofo ebewu. Inti no de Hajia Fatika ne de me de we uye de nkran kongo sihwi adi court create issue arrest warrant amano ye ni ama still ne office na wo headquarters no uguso akọ aban a waka and a political party a wo pese ye tie ase say they believe in the rules of this country. Judge issue arrest warrant amobi still nipa ko ni uguso ba headquarters so and no one is even bothered, no one is concerned. This is the country we live in now. Yeah. Here MPP for Mesremo. Eto de bia enye say ye nyamo asemo na ye pese ye kan sa because nkrofo ka se mo de platform we the NDC platform. Ya enye sa na tie. Yesremo. Se asemba MPP for Yesremo mo nhwe nkrofo a mo be mo akasa amamo. Enye wo bia en asemba e wo se MPP for e ma ne be kasa. Because nkrofo say MPP for din. And that me no ka say Endra me electrician eba me fie be ye edwuma bi ma me. Na me electrician no oye Angunani. He's from Volta region. Asema fi nenum ekan oso wono de pefe okoni kroma sisia wo bi ati asese MPP de wo motan agbefo. Nti ebema voters registration ekra no wo amomo ejiga se wo mo ko register more. And we don't want that because we know, say, there are some people who are always in the MPP government. It is all because in Semba, in Crophobia ebabe kasano, wamon kan sembiye, and inti na masa perception na air kosrono. It is not good. It is not good. Yes, yanhweni ya 2020 election no ebetumi aba say MPP be winibium, but yanhweni ya in the long run. Say President Akufo-Addo ran in the term of office every not different person eba yanhwe ni ya MPP for ebenya crisis all because of these things. Because wo mu twa esabia to ho a wo mo anhwe ni ye na esa no wo mo andane hu ne se da bi bebi e ko na nya ebe ho mo in the future ebia na you not be seeing it now but we are here, you see it. Uncha ma your comment box ni mo medase.